Okay, good morning and hi. Okay, so my name is Ahmad Shauqi RAZALI. I'm from UPNM and I'm studying and graduated from courses of Bachelor of Islamic Defense and Safety. Okay, so what I'm gonna talk about in this session is about my own productivity improvement plan. So it's about how I'm going to improve my daily life through doing using lean method. Okay, so first of all, before we continue even more further, we must also know what is it a productivity improvement plan. So by definition, productivity is the ratio of outputs in form of goods and services divided by the input of resources such as labor and capital. So by definition, you can see in this picture what is productivity. It shows output divided by input, and the result it will become the productivity. Okay, so how about improvement? Improvement can be categorized into three types of improvement. First of all, breakthrough improvement, secondly, continuous improvement, and third, combined improvement. So as you can see here, for the continuous, you can see on this blue line, this is continuous improvement where you can see from the beginning, from over here, and they continue to improve, like the line being increased a little bit by a bit until they reach the peak of the improvement. So how about the breakthrough? For the breakthrough, you can see on the green line where you can see the improvement made only once a while, but when the improvement happen, it become a very big improvement, right? Where you can see around here. So the line suddenly increase, and then it will continue on the same basis until the next breakthrough. So how about combined improvement? Combined improvement, you can see the example on the red line where you can see there is a multiple where it combined between breakthrough and continuous improvement, where you can see around here it become continuous improvement, where around here you can see Haiqal, my mouse moving. Okay, so you can see this suddenly increased line where this is a breakthrough, and after that it become continuous improvement, and then little bit by little bit, and then suddenly becoming a big breakthrough. So that is what I can show you lah about combined improvement. Okay, next. Before that, what is a plan? A plan is defined as an orderly or step-by-step conception for accomplishing an objective. So why must we ourselves as a human being must have an improvement plan for myself or ourselves? Firstly, it is to keep important things in check. Secondly, eliminate waste. 3, avoid problem in future. 4, to produce a better me or better we from day to day. And 5, to keep me, myself, and my family in safe and good health, or in working environment, keeping the worker or employee in safe and good environment and safe environment. So next, so how do we achieve the productivity improvement, whether the breakthrough, the continuous, or combined improvement? So we can use lean method. in lean method, there are many tools that can be used to apply the lean method. First of for the first for this session, I will tell you about two method, simple method that I learned in survey classes. Okay, so first is using dummy cycle. So dummy cycle you can see in this figure where it consists four type of activity, and it moving in a round movement, in round motion. So the first plan, do, check, and act. So after the act, and we back to the plan. So all this is a continuous cycle, whether day by day or by the what we call the cycle of the project or in your life. So how do we use this is we keep things and minimal and simple. And also the second method in lean that I will talk in this session is using 5S. 5S is a short form for five word that started with S. So first is sort, set, shine, standardize, and sustain. And also we also can make a timetable in order to see how the process of our, whether our daily life or in working environment, about how the process, like when if in daily life the cycle, we can make a timetable where we started when we first wake up from sleep, how we what time we take breakfast, or what we do in the morning until the afternoon. And also we also can make a, and continue to the evening and until night. And so cycle, so it's moving in cycle, so it continue day by day. And how about in working environment? In working environment, we can use this as a like timetable for the process that we use, like how to make a shoes or a car, for example. Like firstly, where the raw material get entered. So after that, we can make like an arrow, so where the where the next raw material go. We go to the this machine. So after that, where to this machine, after that, where to this machine, and next until it can produce an output like a car or a finished product. Okay. So how to improve productivity is to eliminate waste in 7 types of waste. So the firstly is transport, inventory, motion, waiting time, overproduction, overprocess, and defective. What is about this about transport? Transport is like how you move thing, or how you yourself move from one location to a location. Like how do we can what, like we can make things easy to transport, and not like first like making, instead of making 2 or 3 trip, you can simplify thing into 1 trip only. Okay. So how about inventory? Inventory is like you holding a stock, and so this actually is this in lean practicer, inventory is considered a waste, because you must keep things going, on and on, and also you must remove the stock from your, whether your safe, where you keep things, and out to the other people. So how about motion? Motion is also is about what your body movement, how you can simplify, like when you want to make things simple, like how to you unscrew the thing, like whether you want to take the screw from under your table, or you can put the box of screw on your table, so you don't have to crouch down to take in. And also that's how simple of how you can make a motion so simple. So how about waiting time? Waiting time is how you can reduce your waiting time, like how a customer service can reduce waiting time of the customer. Like when the customer call, how can we reduce the time that the customer service can take the call. uh, and next, the overproduction is however overproduction is where you must not make things more than what you have set in the early process. Okay, so how about our process? Our process is keep thing or file or anything that you do that need recognition from your upper officer, or in your life, in daily life. Keep things simple. Like if you want to uh, sign a contract or anything, just sign it, make it simple, like make a sign so short or anything like that. And defective is where the thing or the thing or material is defect, or just like that. Okay, so when can we apply this lean or this method in our daily life? Like this is where I put the example for myself in. So firstly, yesterday, like before sleep, uh, I will check what has been done for the day, and check and plan, and I jot down, plan what to do for tomorrow. As you see, the second one, list on what to do for the next day. And secondly, today, do beneficial things early in the morning, like eat nutritious breakfast, exercise like jogging or anything that can keep your body or your metabolism in a good shape, and do activities as planned yesterday, and also keep things simple, be minimalist. Thirdly, uh, for tomorrow, like we go back to now the number one, check back what thing that has gone wrong or that does not go smoothly, and continue and change a bit by bit so that improvement can be made. Okay, next is what from the previous slide that I put into a fig a box, so it can make you can see lah how thing is going on. So like in the blue box up here, plan is planning for tomorrow, keep things going in sustain, and it goes to do as planned, keep things accordingly, and check if things going smoothly, check things to do accordingly. And then is this arrow, you can see it goes to act. If things is going on without any problem, continue the planning, make small changes to improve myself, and then it's go back to the plan. So this four bars is moved in a circular motion, like you can see. So this continue every day, every day. Okay. So where do I apply this improvement plan? Firstly, at home, apply 5S, place things in orderly fashion, keep usable thing, and eliminate defective or unusable item. Secondly, during work, focus on doing job, avoid wasting time, avoid redundant of work. This is what type of example uh, of a process, like we do things the same thing over and over, like 2-3 times, while you can do this so simple, like you do thing and then you check back, so make it everything simple. So thirdly, in daily life, enjoy yourself, keep things simple and minimal, and improve myself through self-study or joining courses like the manufacturing competency course like this one, and online or offline. So in conclusion, we need to make a plan in order to improve ourselves, whether it is a continuous improvement or breakthrough or combine both of them. Secondly, only yourself can improve you. Others can contribute, but only can give a small impact. The rest is on ourselves. Thirdly, learn to be a simple person and live a simple life and also minimalist. Keep things minimalist. And four, keep learning and recheck with your planning to make a suitable change. So in order to make things move, like you not stay on the same level day by day. So the next day you can improve yourself by doing a little bit of reading books or something like that. That you can get more of the knowledge. And five, and this is might be the most important thing, is respect people. So we must respect people so that the other can respect us. Okay, I think that's all from me. So thank you for Mr. Haiqal for listening to my session and to survey. I hope you are in good health and can hear this session. Okay, thank you.
Thank you,